Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a narrow space units, the refrigerator units. Now we can see the front, they have a LED banner on top and glass doors. And on the bottom, the compressors. And when we turn around to look at behind, we can see the temperature switches at the behind to control the levels. And the two switches to set up the lamps for the banners and the LED inside. And also when you're looking down of the units, there's a space for the compressors and also have a standard of 110 plugs. Also the stickers at the behind of the units, they come with the ETL sanitations and also the cut sheets and the details. Model number is SC105B. And when we open the front door, we can see they're having the LED strips on this door too. And also have a one LED strips on top, air circling fans on top. And for each of the layers, they can adjust for the heights. They total have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They total have 8 shelvings. And let me give you the overall sizes first. For the units, the length is about like a 14.5 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like a 15 inches. And the overall height of the unit is about like a 74 inches tall. For the inner side dimensions, the shelvings, it's about like a 10.5 inches deep. And the 10.5 inches wide. And the overall height is about like a 52 inches tall. This unit comes with a 4 feet at the bottom, so they have no wheels come with the units. That's what be the all detailed information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.